God doesn't want us to bring division in the church. That's divisive. And if you don't see something happening in your home church, then that doesn't mean you go look for it somewhere else and then just start migrating people over to that. You pray and you see that maybe the Lord is showing you a need because he wants you to birth something in that church. When I was 16 years old and God began to want to use me for the ministry and began to give me opportunities, one of the things we did is we started a Bible study group in our church, for our church. And our church, we had, 30, 40 people that came out for Bible study and, all ages, young and old, and we were just studying the Word of God. And the intent was to build unity within the church and to build the church, build what God was doing through the local church that he had called us to be a part of, not to draw away from that church into something else. And that's healthy. And that's how churches grow. That's how churches expand. And that